Okay, so today I'm going to be unboxing the Acer Iconia Tab model, I forget where it says it. It might say it on the inside. This tablet, the Acer, I already unboxed it in March because I was stupid and I didn't feel like recording it, so let's just get right into it. Let's see, how am I going to do this with one hand? Let's see if I can get it to stay right here. It doesn't work. I have an idea. Old music stand. Works perfectly as a tripod. Okay, so sorry, I might end up cutting this out, but I'm probably not, so here we go. So I obviously put it back in its package. Here's the package. It says Acer, and it has all the thingies right there. The cool thing about this tablet is that it has ports for USB and micro USB. Like so, right along here. USB port, micro USB, headphone jack, power button, and only a front-facing camera, which is right there. Let's see if I can get it in the red light. There we go. And then, so right, this little thingy right there. If you open that up, micro SD card slot, and right there, that little dot is the reset button. So let me get inside the box, even though I already know what's in there. Manuals, junk like that. No one ever uses them. Cords that I packed up horribly. Charging cable. Thing that goes into the computer. Thing that goes on the charger thing. And let's get into this. So, I'm gonna start it up. Acer. I like the starting screen on this, it's really cool. And it says Acer. This was actually it was on sale for $244 at not iParty, Best Buy, and I got a screen shield thingy for $30, and I of course wanted to get the warranty so I can keep it, and if it breaks I can get a new one. Gonna look away while I type in my password. And then here's the home screen with all my apps. More apps. You want to hear something really annoying? Wait for it to load up. I don't care about ads. What was it? Metal screeching. That's it. And an alarm from 1990. I hate those alarms. And so let me just get into the camera and I'll do a cool thing. Camera on camera action. See, we're recording ourselves recording. Whoa. See? Hi. I don't think I can see that. Hi. Isn't that cool? Here's my face. Where is it? There it is. Here's my face. And you can't tell on camera, but the quality of the video is pretty good. And what else did I get? What else was it? Oh, the speakers on this are pretty cool, and the back is also cool. It has a nice, almost like golf ball thing pattern, and then there are two rear-facing speakers, and then the Acer. I'm gonna play a song because I feel like it. I'm only gonna play a little tiny bit because I don't want to get copyright strikes or whatever. Just so you can hear the speakers. And that's all. So I also want to show you some cool shoes that I have. I'm gonna bring them right over and put everything aside with them. And so here they are. They are the Nike hyperenforcer XDs. And they're actually really cool. I like them. I like them a lot. They are USA 11.5. I don't know if you can see that. And this is the side. It's really cool, I think. Especially because it has the bright colors, but that's it. Right one, right there. Here's my phone. It's really stupid. What else can I show you? Oh yeah. All my weights. Not that much, I know, but there we go. And then a bench. I'm getting back from a shoulder injury right now, so that's why I only have that little weight on. And that's pretty much it for today. I don't know what else to show other than yeah, that's pretty much it. So hey, what's up? I think that's pretty much it for today, so see you later.